This 3-barrel curling iron is going to give you effortless, beachy waves in just minutes. This tool is seriously about to be your new best friend. It heats up fast, it glides through your hair with the ceramic barrels that protect from damage while delivering even heat. I love the anti-scald shield. So no more burning our fingers. It has adjustable heat settings for fine, thick, or even color treated hair. You're just going to clamp, hold, and then release, and then move on to the next piece. The ionic technology is going to fight frizz, leaving your hair shiny, soft, and full of volume. It's dual voltage, so it's travel friendly and ready for your next vacation or girls trip. Check it out in my Amazon storefront today and get yours.